Covering news where you live. 5 News starts with breaking news.
All right, that breaking news out of our nation's capital tonight. These are live images near Ronald Reagan National Airport where all flights have been grounded. This after a plane crash about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. Boats are searching the Potomac River right now for any survivors.
Authorities are calling this a mass casualty incident, and according to the FAA, a regional jet collided in midair with a U.S. military Black Hawk helicopter while on approach to the airport outside of Washington, D.C. Video from an observation camera at the nearby Kennedy Center shows 2 sets of lights appearing to join in a fireball.
At this point, we do not know how many survivors there are. The plane, operated by American Airlines, had taken off from Wichita, Kansas. Senator Jerry Moran of Kansas wrote on social media that he was in contact with authorities.
Of course, we'll continue to follow this developing story throughout our newscast. We're also streaming this breaking news live on 5 Plus right now.